Hi, sir. Welcome to the show. Good morning.
Good morning, Jignesh.
Sir, hope you're doing good.
Yeah, all good. I
Yes, sir.
hope everything is fine at your end also.
Yes, viewers are pretty excited to hear you, sir. So, what's the outlook for the market, sir?
So, looking at the current year, after this COVID breakdown, we now able to cross this 200-day simple moving average above 10,880 level. So, which is, again, another excitement for the investor as well as for the trader because, once any indices trades above 200-day simple moving average, which seems to be, trend is turning towards the bullish side on the medium term to long term basis. So if he continues to trade above this 10,880 level, then possible, upward momentum is likely to continue in the market. And as we are now trading above 11,000 level, so we are expecting, another round of, 2 to 3% kind of up move from the current level also. And we are expecting that around 11,250 to 11,400 could be the next level we can see in the Nifty. However, on the downside, the immediate support area for, traders, those who are taking position for a very short period of time, so they should now trail their stop loss above 10,950 level. So this could be the probable level where, one can place their, trailing stop loss. And I hope those who are medium term to long term traders, they can hold their position whenever the dips comes in the market. It's a buying opportunity in the market. Now, we'll move to the banking sector, so I'll just touch upon on the Bank Nifty front. So Bank Nifty is now trading about 22,400, which is another positive sign on the Bank Nifty in terms of level, because this is another 31.8% retracement level of previous fall, and now Bank Nifty has managed to cross above that level. So this week is very interesting to see if we get any weekly close about 22,400, then we may see furthermore extended up move in the Bank Nifty towards 23,500 to 24,000. Even if we compare both the indices, Bank Nifty is still underperforming to the benchmark indices Nifty. So we feel that, that Bank Nifty will, show some catch-up rally in coming days, and we may see outperformance in the banking stocks.
Sir, apart from banking stock, any other sectors or, stocks that you think will be in action in times to come?
So, Jignesh, if you look at the broader market, a lot of participation is coming in the broader market. Even the mid cap and small cap space is also showing some sort of, good buying interest in the market, which is showing that, the confidence is coming back to the street, and this is very good and positive sign for the market. And we believe that, a lot of sectors, there, a lot of potentials are there. So, we'll see, a lot of buying interest to remain continue in those sectors. So, from immediate trading point of view, I would suggest, we will see private bank to perform. So from private bank, we like ICICI Bank and Kotak Bank. These two banks are looking very attractive, and we believe that these two banks can do well on the private banking space. Other space which we like is, automobile. In automobile space is another, sector where we have seen, a lot of accumulation and buying interest in the last few trading sessions. And looking at the stock like Maruti, Escort, and M&M, these three stocks are looking very positive on the technical setup. And we believe, these three stocks can, furthermore exhibit bullish momentum for another 3 to 5% from the current level also. So these three stocks one can look at from the automobile space. Some accumulation activity is seen in the cement space also. So from cement space, we like Ramco Cement. Ramco Cement has given a breakout of its long consolidation. So we believe that Ramco Cement can move further higher towards 740, 750 zone, and one can place a stop loss at around 655 from the current level. On the other hand, we believe, some sort of profit booking can be seen in the pharma space. In the today's trade also, we have seen, some of the pharma space, pharma stocks has shown some profit booking. So, those who are sitting on the profit, so our advice would be they can take some profit in pharma stocks. And then again, they can enter at the lower level. Overall trend is positive for the pharma, but just for the trading perspective, I would suggest that some profit should be booked in the pharma space, and we feel that, some corrective action we can witness in the pharma space in the near term basis.
So similar is the view on the FMCG side?
Yeah, FMCG is looking very attractive, and from the FMCG pack, we like Marico. The stock is looking very attractive. Head and shoulder pattern is already there in the stock. A lot of accumulation activity has been done, so we believe that Marico can move towards 380-390 zone in the short term. One can keep stop loss of around 340. Buy and accumulate strategy one can adopt. Another stock, Britannia, is looking very attractive. We have seen very good run up in the stock, though stock is trading near to its all-time high level, and we believe that, this bullishness to remain continuing in the Britannia also, and 4,100, 4,200 level can be seen in the Britannia also. So we are pretty bullish on the FMCG pack also. Marico and Britannia would be our preferred pick from based on the technical setup.
Thank you so much for your time, sir. It's always a
Thank
pleasure to
you.
talk to you.
Thank you.